dear teachers, my dear parents and friends. Today is a very special day for us and our school as it is going to complete one more year and it is very proud moment for all of us. This year we have been through many situations and made a whole lot of new friends as well as memories. Finally, we are going to celebrate the annual day and the time has come. It is my
A very good evening to all. I would like to welcome all the esteemed guest teachers, staff and our lovely students. We are blessed to have you all here today. Spring Valley is considered one of the best preschool in Beeramguda, not only for its studies, but also for its culture and the activities too. And I feel proud to be a part of such an amazing institution, the startup which we started in 2015. Here in our preschool, we don't just focus on academics, but we try to teach the things practically which help our children to gain more knowledge through activities which we perform every year. Parents, be seated as it's a indoor, and it's a dream to a director for any institute to receive any award. And I'm very grateful to everyone who has always been part of my journey. Many challenges and problems appeared in the journey till now, the past 4 years which we started from 2015 to 2019. But when the time has started, I don't know how to run and I don't know how to start. I don't know whether I am successful or I don't know. But with the efforts which the team I have been selected and the efforts from my parents and all the family members who have been here and my father from day one and the staff which we have been dedicated efforts, each of them got involved, solved, and hence it is today that you all can see how Blissful Smile is accompanying for me for this award which has taken in the month of January. Each of my thank you. Each of my team members deserves this equivalent award for all day-to-day tasks from day one, attended by my staff also. We always aim to working as a team and have a united focus which enables us to work and cope up with higher expectations our collective team efforts have been resulted in incredible results, and it is great achievement for me. Thanks all the parents for being patient here, and as it's a indoor, so be patient for end of the program, and don't say hi and bye, or just see the program and enjoy till the last.
Next, we have a fashion show organized by our senior KG students. Please welcome our senior KG students with a big round of applause.
Audio
Won't you feel a second like let us come back on the stage and had a ramp walk like our kids? Anybody felt like that? Anybody feel like looking at the kids, let us do the ramp walk on the stage? Anybody feel? No, because you have stage fear among you. But the Spring Valley kids have no stage. Maybe you are thinking, who is this lady coming over the stage speaking? I show my face only once in a year. That is only on the annual day of Spring Valley Biramguda. Am I right? Before I introduce, please give me 3. Not like that. 3, 1, 2, 3. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 0. Yes, all are alert. All right. So meanwhile, our kids are getting ready for the next performance by Nursery on Zing Zing. Please give them a big round of applause. I feel very proud to say this because it's not a franchisee, nor it's not a branded. But now I can say with lot of pride, Spring Valley is a branded school in Hyderabad, Twin Cities.
छुपते आए नैन लड़ा के तुझसे मन मंदिर में जिंगल बेल हो जाए
तुम धड़क चिक तुम धड़कन बोले जब तू छत पे आए नैन लड़ा के तुझसे मन मंदिर में जिंगल बेल हो जाए
तेरा हसीन चेहरा आहा मेरे लबों से निकला वहाँ ढूंढ गूगल पे जाके मिलेगा मजनू मेरे जैसा कहा पूरी पलटन के साथ लेके बारात बलमा ये तेरा नाचे चलते मैं तेरी गली मुझको पानी भी न पूछा खुद मोटरसाइकिल पे चली
तू सहेली के संग जाके रेस्टोरेंट में पिज्जा खाए धूप में बाहर बैठा बैठा मैं चुगता हूँ मूंगफली चली तेरी सवारी जहाँ संग चला मैं तेरे वहाँ फैन हूँ बेबी तेरा लगा हूँ पीछे तुम चले की तरह चाहे कितना भी डांट छोड़े ना साथ बलमा ये तेरा नाच जिंग 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 गाते जिंग 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 गाते जिंग 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 गाते जिंग 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 गाते जिंग 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 जिंग
Hello.
The director, staff and the sub-staff of Spring Valley Biranguda. Really, I appreciate everybody taking their pens
To give a quality of education, maintaining the standards. Last but not least, I even thank each and every parent present over here for your extended love, affection and cooperation. With the same affection, love and cooperation, I feel very proud to announce another branch of Spring Valley at Aminpur. We are coming out and flying with colors for the primary branch, Spring Valley and Innovative School. Very like we are extending for the primary level. I know most of the UKG parents are awaiting for this because to start up a school is very easy. Take a building, run the school. But this is not our vision. We just look into the property or the school premises which should have good atmosphere. It should give a school atmosphere to the student. It's not like we just open up in an apartment or a duplex, let us run a primary school. No, running a primary school is different running with a pre-primary. And at primary level also, we are promising the quality of education standard under CBSE norms. And I challenge that teacher-student ratio is also maintained, 25 kids only for one section. Wherein I challenge in Biramguda, you don't find any school having least number of students for one section at primary level. In order to have an individual attention to the student, a teacher can concentrate hardly 24 to 25 kids, not more than that. If I burden the teacher with more number of students, again she'll be under stress wherein like attention will not be given. At Spring Valley, an innovative school, we are providing the activities also, say abacus, karate, western dance, and even skating. We are planning to put it into action. That I can't promise right yet because I have to check out the space over there. Skating ring, we need to go with the safety precautions again. And all these activities will be included parallelly with the academics. Kids will be prepared, giving them all-round development. And I expect the same cooperation you will be giving us in the future endeavors too. The address, everything will be given to Mr. Naveen. He'll be having a discussion and he'll be giving the information to you. The parents even can take the contact number of me. Any further doubts, you're welcome to have a talk to me and call, take complete information regarding the primary level also. Thank you very much, parents. Thank you for listening me at this peak moment. Thank you.
B for bat, B for ball, b b b b b b. C for cat and C for cup, c c c c c c. D for dog, D for dots, d d d d d d. E for egg and E for elephant, e e e e e e. F for frog, F for fish, f f f f f f. G for goat and G for grass, g g g g g g. H for hand, H for hat, h h h h h. I for ink and I for insect, E E E E E E. J for juice, J for jar, J J J J J J. K for king and K for kite, K K K K K K. L for lamb, L for leaf, L L L L L L. M for man and M for monkey, M M M M M M. N for neck, N for nose, N N N N N N. O for ocean, O for oar, O O O O O O. P for plum, P for parrot, P P P P P P. Q for queen and Q for quail, Q Q Q Q Q Q. R for rope, R for rat, R R R R R R. S for sun and S for sunflower, S S S S S S. T for tap, T for tub, T T T T T T. U for uncle, U for umbrella, V for violin, V for violet, V. W for well and W for water, W. X for box, X for fox, X, 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 X. Y for yacht and Y for yellow, Y, 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 Y. Z for zoo, Z for zebra, Z, 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 Z. Subscribe for more videos. मिठाई पूमर तुम्हें कंडो कंडो मिठाई കയ്യാലും നീ മരത്തുമ്മേ തൊട്ടാ വീഴും മിഠായി കൊട്ടേം മട്ടേം കൊണ്ടേ വന്ന വാരിക്കൂട്ടം മിഠായി വീട്ടിൽ നട്ടാ കേട്ടോ കുട്ടി കിട്ടും മിഠായി
But you're sinking. I don't know the reason. Just needed something different. Don't gotta hear what they speaking. No, no, don't gotta take what they giving. Remember the meaning. This old folk song we be singing. touch the skyline. I'ma sing it loud and loud. Let me be free. Padivaad bhadra vatakam kailendum tamborate nalla chedi thirumum channu kali kali thodangi angarangari. Padivaad bhadra vatakam kailendum tamborate nalla chedi thirumum channu kali kali thodangi. Padivaad 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 padivaad. Heartbeat racing, what you feel when your feet hit the pavement. Keep on reaching, hold on to what you believe in. Don't gotta learn what they teaching, no, no, don't believe what they preaching. Remember the meaning, this old folk song we be singing. I'ma raise my arms high, I'ma touch the skyline. I'ma sing it loud and loud. Let me be free. Padivaad bhadra vatakam kailendum tamborate nalla chedi thirumum channu kali kali thodangi angarangari. Padivaad bhadra vatakam kailendum tamborate nalla chedi thirumum channu kali kali thodangi. Padivaad 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 padivaad. Vedada vahan meri pogunnu tamborate dariga purasannil kannil chennadukkunnu angarangari. Poriga poridu vegam asuresha darigane paramesha putri nakumpatra jnana notira angarangari. Padivaad bhadra vatakam kailendum tamborate nalla chedi thirumum channu kali kali thodangi angarangari. Padivaad bhadra vatakam kailendum tamborate nalla chedi thirumum channu kali kali thodangi. Jumping the deep end, trying to swim but you're sinking. I don't know the reason, just needed something different. Don't gotta hear what they speaking, no, no, don't gotta take what they giving. Remember the meaning, this old folk song we be singing. I'ma raise my arms high, I'ma touch the skyline. I'ma sing it loud and loud. Let me be free. Padivaad bhadra vatakam kailendum tamborate nalla chedi thirumum channu kali kali thodangi angarangari. Padivaad bhadra vatakam kailendum tamborate nalla chedi thirumum channu kali kali thodangi. Padivaad 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 padivaad. Heartbeat racing, what you feel when your feet hit the pavement. Keep on reaching, hold on to what you believe in. Don't gotta learn what they teaching, no, no, don't believe what they preaching. Remember the meaning, this old folk song we be singing. I'ma raise my arms high, I'ma touch the skyline. I'ma sing it loud and loud. Let me be free. Padivaad bhadra vatakam kailendum tamborate nalla chedi thirumum channu kali kali thodangi angarangari.
used it. The next version, what are we using? Please welcome our children. It's vintage versus new, an interesting show, making you to recollect the previous things. Vintage versus new. Yes, here we have junior KG kid displaying the telephone, messenger, taste is not good. Champasnaru vantaltoti YouTube lo chusi. Am I right? Yes, here we have smartphone versus telephone. I find this is better option. This smartphone has made our lives really not peaceful to say. If we are spending some time with our family or children, tring tring, the smartphone rings. We have to carry that in our pocket. This is where we never carry it. It stays at home and we can give our precious time to our family. Next we have car. Previously we have bullock cart. Really, that is also a different journey. And this is some luxurious again, car. And here I have a kid holding a messenger. Mail.com. Easy, free of cost. Within a seconds, you can send the messages to your loved ones. Next here we have Ashtachamma. Idi chuste gurtukostundi. Chintaginjalto aadevallము. Ashtachamma. Am I right? ఎంతమంది ఆడారు? అందరూ? Yes. అందరికి పంట పండిందా? ఎంతమందికి? Almost అందరికి. Okay. And next we have temple run. I'll tell you, Ashtachamma ikkada em chestamu? Kurchuni aadtamu. Temple run lo andulone undi run ani. Parigettune untamu. This is now our life. Previously, happy ga kurchuni, everything we used to do, sit very peacefully. But now, really our lives have become like a temple run. You know, are you accepting parents what I'm telling you? Yes. I know you feel a bit boring, but still you have to accept me because I'm speaking. Here we have fire. Then, immediately we have made our lives comfortable by gas. And next we have kettle. And we have thermos. But the taste in this kettle, chai, Irani chai, what I mean to say, taste will be different. Am I right? How many of you find kettle in your home? How many of you find thermos in your home? Now all the hands will be up. Even we find thermos in our lunch bag, in our office also. Maybe health conscious, instead of tea, you're having your green tea, whatever. And next I have the kid here. Yes, previously we used to learn the alphabets on the slate using slate pencil. But now we have books. Yes, rather I say taps. Am I right? I don't even say the book. The book is being replaced by taps also. Yes, next we have a black and white television. Yes, I remember my childhood days where I used to watch Alice in the Wonderland, Mickey Mouse, Buniyat, all these serials in black and white TV. We never had TV at home. I used to go to my neighbor's house completing my homework sitting outside. They never allowed me in the hall. Sitting outside, I used to watch all this program, Ramayana, Mahabharata, right? Yes, see? Yes, beta, show. And it's a smart TV. We have all LEDs. LED, LCD, whatever you call it is. How many of you have the black and white TV in your home? How many of you have? Nobody. But I say, I have my black and white TV of my grandmom. I have made it very special at my home. I even connect the cable. Sometimes I watch it, you know, recollecting the old memories. Next we have, what is this beta? Yes, hourglass. Then we have clock. Yes, CD. And then USB. Then torch. What is that, Nana? You teach me. Lantern. All right. Kerosene buddi. అంతేనా? కిరోసిన్ బుడ్డియే కదా అనేది. ఆల్ రైట్. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి టార్చ్ లైట్. కానీ ఇప్పుడు ఫోన్ లైట్ లో టార్చ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఇది కూడా అక్కర్లేదు. Am I right? Okay. USB CD. ప్రీవియస్లీ ఏదైనా ఫోన్ నెంబర్ ఆర్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇస్ ఇట్ మన మైండ్ లో స్టోర్ అయి ఉండేది. ఇప్పుడు ఎమర్జెన్సీలో ఫోన్ అంటే ఇమీడియట్ గా స్పీడ్ డయల్లో కాంటాక్ట్స్ లో సర్చ్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో ఫోన్స్ అనేవి ఇట్ మేడ్ అవర్ లైఫ్ రియల్లీ రెస్ట్లెస్. మన కేపబిలిటీని వీఆర్ లూజింగ్ ఇట్ టు సే యూజింగ్ దిస్ స్మార్ట్ ఫోన్స్. దట్స్ ఇట్. అయిపోయిందా? ఓకే. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ న్యూ వర్సెస్ వింటేజ్. I hope the parents can recollect what they have used in their childhood and what now they are using it. Big round of applause for these children. Chittali phone. Yes. Among all these, I love this Ashtachamma, wherein we will sit all four together with the family and used to play. But smartphone is where single-handed only our kids are playing. We are away from our kids. Am I right, parents? Kids irritate చేస్తుంటే parents ఏం చేస్తున్నారు? Phone ఇచ్చేస్తున్నారు. They are busy in their work. Kids are busy in their work. Okay, give a big round of applause for these children.
Fiesta! Something interesting on the go. Universal Encyclopedia lo. తెలుసుకున్న కొద్ది ఉంటాయి ఇంకా ఎన్నెన్నో. Art of living అంటే art of learning అంటే నాకు తెలిసింది ఒక్కొక్క తెలియని ఎక్కడో. I don't know. మట్టికొకసారి చెంగు మంది చెమ నీటి నుంచి ఎగిరి కొత్త గాలిలో కొత్త సంగతేదో నేర్చుకోవడానికేమో. I don't know. ఎన్నిసార్లు చెప్పినా గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ తగ్గితే మరి ఆ సన్ షైనింగ్. కొత్త బెటర్ ఏదో భూమి నుంచి రోజు నేర్చుకున్న వెలుగేమో. I don't know. Only one thing I know. There's so much to know. Wanna grow and to start a journey, keep starting. I don't know. I don't know. No. I don't know. No. Yeah, no. I don't know. No. I don't know. No. Yeah, no.
Up. Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. With a bang bang.
Come on. Turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the dance floor. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby.
Just you
Baby,
and me.
I don't need As long as I can feel the beat.
Make the beat just take control.
I don't need no one.
You want more than diamond, more than gold.
As long as I give them.
Free up yourself, get out of control.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Saturday and I won't be long. Gotta paint my nails, put my high heels on. It's Saturday and I won't be long till I hit the dance floor. Hit the dance floor. I got all I need. I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby.
Just you
baby,
and me.
I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. I don't need no money.
You want more than diamond, more than gold.
As long as I can feel the beat.
Make the beat just take control.
I don't need no money.
You want more than diamond, more than gold.
As long as I give them.
Free up yourself, get out of control. Me and you, girl, you and me. Tap it to the floor and make me see your energy because me not play no hide and seek. What is it the thing you ever make me feel way, girl? Free. Cause anytime you whine and catch it, the selector pull it up and put it on repeat, girl. Me not touch a dollar in my pocket, cause none in this world ain't more than what you worth.
I don't need no money.
You want more than diamond, more than gold.
As long as I can feel the beat.
Make the beat just take control.
I don't need no money.
You want more than diamond, more than gold.
As long as I keep dancing.
Free up yourself, get out of control.
Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. I don't need no money.
You want more than diamond, more than gold.
As long as I can feel the beat.
Make the beat just take control.
I don't need no money.
You want more than diamond, more than gold.
As long as I give them.
Free up yourself, get out of control.
వస్తే చల్లగా జారుదమా Mamacita Mamacita Lolita రాకొడవలేక బ్రతుకుతమ్మా స్పాట కవిట నీ యాంగర్కి చెప్పు పెట్ట టాటా రిపీటా నీ లవ్ కొంచెం షేర్ చెయ్యి నీటా సూరిటా నా ఏరియాకి నువ్వే నేతా గుగులు 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 చూస్తే సింగరా నామమ్మా సైకిల్ గ్యాప్లో రాకెట్ లేపే హైడ్ అండ్ సీక్ గేమ్ మా బబుల్ 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 గమ్ పాటినా చాలీలో జింకనదమ్మా గులేబా Chio beta Guleba Subeda ఎక్కిలు వస్తే చల్లిలు తాగుదమ్మా చిక్కులు వస్తే చల్లగా జారుదమ్మా ఎక్కిలు వస్తే చల్లిలు తాగుదమ్మా చిక్కులు వస్తే చల్లగా జారుదమ్మా సోకమా ఏ జాలీలో జిమ్ కనదమ్మా ఏ మామా పనమ్మా పోయి పార్టీ చేసుకుందామా సోకమా నా మాటే ఒక బీట్ సాంగ్ లేమా నువ్వు రామా అరే ఆలు నైట్ రచ్చందామా ఎక్కిలు వస్తే చల్లిలు తాగుదమ్మా చిక్కులు వస్తే చల్లగా జారుదమ్మా ఎక్కిలు వస్తే చల్లిలు తాగుదమ్మా చిక్కులు వస్తే చల్లగా జారుదమ్మా ఎక్కిలు వస్తే చల్లిలు తాగుదమ్మా చిక్కులు వస్తే చల్లగా జారుదమ్మా ఎక్కిలు వస్తే చల్లిలు తాగుదమ్మా చిక్కులు వస్తే చల్లగా జారుదమ్మా
One. Again one. Add 5. Add 1. Again add 1. Minus 2. Minus 5. That is
2.
very good. Next again clear it. Clear the toll. Again 5, 2. Again add 1. Minus 6. 5. Minus 6. Minus 2. Do it. Minus 2. Minus 5. Add 3. That is
9.
next. Again clear it beta. 2, 5, 1. Again add 1. Minus 5. Minus 5. Minus 2. Add 5. That is
7.
very good. One more. Okay, again clear it. Please cooperate with them. Please clap to them. Again clear it. 3. Add 1. Add 1. Don't be confused, beta. Add 5. What is the answer?
9.
Good. Okay. Now, okay. Stand here, beta. Now, he will do the brain calculation without calculating any phone and mental. He will do only on brain gym only. Okay. Now, clear the tool. Again, 1, 1, 1. Add 5. Add 1. Minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 5. Add 2. Add 1. That is
3.
very good. Once again, clear it. 2, 5. -1, -5, add 1, -2, add 1, -3, add 2, add 4, add 2, that is 4. Very good. Madam, please.
सनन जाए रजिया करबे की रात में चूड़ी खनकाई तूने आधी ही बात में सनन सनन जाए रजिया करबे की रात में चूड़ी खनकाई तूने आधी ही बात में
करबे की रात पिया लड़के मेरा जिया कह देना आज तू है मेरे साथ
ढोलीना ढोल वागे 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 रे ढोलीना ढोल वागे 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 रे भैया माँ वागे वागे ढोल वागे रे भैया माँ वागे वागे ढोल वागे रे
ढोलीना ढोल हैया मामा के बगे ढोलीना ढोलीना ढोल हैया मामा के बगे ढोलीना
खिर 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 के आई बारिश बरसात माँ उड़े 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 जिया गोरी तेरे साथ माँ हाय खिर 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 के आई बारिश बरसात माँ उड़े 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 जिया गोरी तेरे साथ माँ
नैनो की डोरी से हाय खींचे क्यों चोरी से हाय नैनो की डोरी से खींचे क्यों चोरी से ऐसे मुझे तड़पाए हाँ करबे की रात पिया लड़के मेरा जिया कह देना आज तू है मेरे साथ
ढोलीना ढोल वागे 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 रे ढोलीना ढोल वागे 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 रे भैया माँ वागे वागे ढोल वागे रे भैया माँ वागे वागे ढोल वागे रे
ढोलीरा 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 ढोली 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 वागे ढोलीरा ढोलीरा वागे ढोलीरा
Don't show that.
Thank you once again for all your patience. A delightful evening to everyone present here on behalf of all team. It is a great honor and privilege to stand before you to propose the words of gratitude for being with us evening and making us feel proud and more than you love for us. Gratitude is the healthiest of all emotions. The more you express gratitude of what you have, the more likely to have even express gratitude to. We are extremely thankful for our dignitaries, special invitees, friends and well-wishers for your silent and witness sense of appreciation. Thank you.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभाशिष मागे, गाहे तव जय गाथा, जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Thank you, parents.
Sir.